What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted here in a while, but there's a reason for all that. I got a lot of cool stuff that I got for my car. One of the things showed up. I really want to share the link in the description, except for it literally took 6 months to show up. It was cheap, but it's cool. So I'm going to show you why I haven't been making any videos, and then we'll go from there. Oh, I also forgot. Bam, we bought a Porsche. Still got the Beamer, but we bought a Porsche, and it's amazing. I'm traded the Range Rover in. We'll get to this guy later. I'll have a few things, but the reason I haven't been posting is because I'm redoing absolutely everything. Excuse me, I can't even talk. Boom, brand new backyard. I got double gazebos. I got a outdoor kitchen with plumbing and water, the whole 9 yards. Upgraded my dog up there on the island there, all my pavers, just like tons of crazy work. And of course, I've been doing most of it myself, me and my family, all the soil. I paid a excavator to prep all the ground and all that. They probably took 20 plus yards of soil. We put 35 plus back. Doing the front yard, windows, siding, just doing a massive outdoor patio, living the outdoor life. I thought about filming some of it for you guys, but I don't know. Maybe I'll film the party portion, the having fun, the eating smash burgers and playing cornhole. But anyways, I need to correct myself. My wife just told me that, excuse me, what I originally ordered was on some spoof site. So I thought this valve cover was like 40 bucks, but it was some little teeny thing that was kind of a trick to get you to buy it. But now that you know it's a valve cover, let's check it out. All right, so apparently I've been mad at these guys this whole entire time. This is on the front, which is kind of cool. Fragile as fuck. So pretty cool so far. Some stickers, air freshener, all carbon. These are all custom ordered, custom made. I'm gonna have to see if she has the link now that I'm gonna share the link. Because to tell you the truth, I was kind of bummed out. I was gonna stop the payment and all that stuff, but $199, right? 199 bucks. 199 bucks. Let me open this up here. I'm one-handed. Holy cow, the quality on this thing is amazing. Look at that. So, as you can tell, it's a little narrower, and I'm just gonna go out on a limb. It's narrow just in case you get a new ignition set up, so you're not having to chop this guy apart. I'm hoping the back is gonna fit, because I had to chop my stock one where my oil catch can was. I'm gonna go try this bad boy out and see what it looks like real quick. All right, pretty self-explanatory. Your valve cover has 3, which this one right here I got, this is wrapped over because I never use it. Anyways, I only had 2 of the bolts. Boom. That thing looks absolutely amazing. And didn't have to do anything for my oil catch can. So anyways, you can see where you could have a whole new ignition coil set up here, and you don't have to mess with the new valve cover and all that stuff. So it looks freaking super sick. I got new turbos coming. So I bought the Franken turbos. These inlets, you saw me do them on my channel. At least this one you did. You saw a little bit of the back one. I got all new inlets too. So I got the 650 wheel horsepower Franken turbos, the 9-blade T18, pretty badass turbos with hot side relocation. I'm not sure I really like this setup here. So anyways, I'm getting wastegate rattle. If I have the clip, I'll throw it. That's a video for later. This is just something I've been waiting on for a long time, about 6 months. I'm gonna find the link. I'm gonna put the link because apparently the company's great to deal with, even though I was dealing with the spoof company and whatever. My wife had a great experience doing it. So old valve cover, it's all bulky, it's got a bunch of extra stuff. I'm gonna have to get the third bolt now. I'm not liking that, but I got these two front and back so that way it doesn't wobble. Looks amazing. Sets off the engine bay. Didn't really want to go carbon on this car, so that's probably my only piece. Knock on fender, because it probably won't be. So on the engine anyways, I won't do carbon on the outside. I like the black on white. Carbon looks good in the engine bay. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Short video, I apologize. It's got so much stuff going on right now. Trying to get the outdoor area going. Huge 12 yards of concrete we put. Freaking all new yard, gonna be front and back. I mean, it's amazing. Got the Porsche, boom, the thing rips. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the comments. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening.